Hi, this video is specifically recorded for TYBcom students who are in semester 5, subject direct tax, chapter computation of total income. And in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the Mumbai University question, the question which was asked in April 2016 from the chapter computation of total income. So let us see the question. So this question is of chapter computation of total income. This question was asked in April 2016. Let us read the question, try to understand this question. Mr. Mayur Raje, who works with Central Railway, gives the following information for the year ended on 31st March 2016. Basic salary 60,000 per month. DNS allowance 15,000 per month. Encashment of leave 20,000. Special bonus for completion of 100 years of Central Railway 50,000. So we can say like all this item will go under the head income from salary. Next, professional tax deducted from salary 2,500. Now again this is a part of income from salary. Now one thing which you will have to understand or remember is, now this professional tax they are saying is deducted from salary, but you are not supposed to add to the basic salary. Why? Because the basic salary which is given over here is gross basic salary. In case if it is given net basic salary, then you are supposed to add this professional tax deducted to the net basic salary, find out the gross basic salary, and then claim for the deduction under section 16 subsection 3. So now right now we don't have to add to the basic salary because this is a gross basic salary. So you will have to just go for the deduction. You will have to claim for the deduction under section 16 subsection 3. It's 2,500 per annum. Now the next part is other information. Interest received on government securities 22,000. Dividend from HDFC mutual fund 5,000. Interest on saving bank with HDFC bank 11,500. Interest on post office saving bank account 3,500. Now all this item will go under the head income from other sources. So we'll have to remember this. Now one thing which is little important is like encashment of leave. If you take encashment of leave during the continuation of service, it is fully taxable under the head income from salary. Fine. So this thing you'll have to remember. Next is regarding interest received on government securities. So interest received on government securities is fully taxable under the head income from other sources. Dividend from HDFC mutual fund is exempt under section 10 subsection 35 because you are getting dividend from an Indian company. So if you receive dividend from an Indian company, it is fully exempt. Next, interest on saving bank account with HDFC bank. Again, this is fully taxable. Now here it is taxable, but you get deduction under section 80 TTA. So under the head income from other sources, it is fully taxable, but later on you can claim for deduction under section 80 TTA. And the next one is interest on post office saving bank account. Now this is exempt under section 10 subsection 15. So this is exempted up to rupees 10,000 per annum, and the interest which you have received is 3,500. So in this question it is fully exempt. The next part, he received cash gift of rupees 51,000 from his friend on the occasion of his daughter's marriage. Now one thing which is important over here is daughter's marriage. So actually speaking, if you receive gift from your friends, it is exempted, it is not taxable. In case if it is taxable, it will be taxable under the head income from other sources, right? But when it will be taxable, if you receive the gift on the occasion of your marriage from your friends, it is fully exempt. But right now you are receiving 51,000 from your friend on the occasion of daughter's marriage. So if you are receiving on the occasion of daughter's marriage, it is fully taxable under the head income from other sources. Fine. So you should not get confused, because the concept says that the section says that if you receive gift on your occasion from your friends, then it is exempted, right? It is not excluded, it is not included as taxable gift. But this time you are getting the gift from your on the occasion of your daughter's marriage. So let us proceed. He paid 25,000. He paid rupees 25,000 towards premium on life insurance policy of his son studying in college, and also tuition fees of rupees 10,000 for son's college. Okay, so now this is life insurance policy which he is taking on his son. So he can claim for deduction under section 80C. Either you take life insurance on your name or on your family's name, it is fully you can claim deduction under section 80C. And the next is tuition fees. If you are paying tuition fees for son's college, that is also you can claim deduction under section 80C, right? Compute his taxable income for the assessment year 16-17. So let us start solving this. Now this is how you are going to solve. You are going to write the name of SSC on the top. So name of SSC is Mr. Mayur Raje. Assessment year is 16-17. Previous year is 2015-16. Status is individual. Residential status, resident and ordinary resident. You are going to give the heading as computation of total income. This is how you are going to make columns. Particular column, rupees column. This is inner rupees column. This is outer rupees column. Fine. So let us start solving this. Now the first thing that we are going to record here is income from salary. But the problem is we don't know the total income from salary. So we will have to go to the working note 1 to get the total income from salary. So let us go to the working note 1. This is how you are going to prepare working note 1. Income from salary will be your heading, particular and 2 rupees column. So let us start putting the items of income from salary. So the first thing that you can see here is, if you read the question, the first is basic salary 60,000 per month. So let us go and record the basic salary. First, basic salary, it is 60,000 per month. So 60,000 into 12. Let's see how much you are going to get. So 60,000 into 12 will give you 7,20,000. So let us record 7,20,000 directly in the outer column. Fine. Now the next thing is, let's see what is the next one. Dearness allowance 15,000 per month. Okay, So let us go and record DNS allowance. It is 15,000 per month. So we will have to divide with the number of month. And let us calculate 15,000 into 12. So that gives you 1,80,000. So let us record 1,80,000. Next, let's go and see what is next. Encashment of leave 20,000. Now it is not per month, so this is your per annum. So let us record leave encashment as you are taking this leave, or as you are encashing this leave during your service. It is fully taxable. Next, let's see what is next. Special bonus for completion of 100 years of Central Railway, 50,000. Again, it is not per month, so it will be per annum. So let us go and record the bonus. So we will say bonus. That is 50,000. What is next? So next we can see, now there is no other information except professional tax. So professional tax we will deduct from the gross salary. Let us calculate gross salary first. So we will say gross salary let's see what will be the amount of gross salary. 7,20,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 20,000 plus 50,000. That is equal to 9,70,000. So let us record 9,70,000 as our gross salary. Right? Now from this we are going to deduct, we'll say less deduction under section 16. Okay. Now first we will say entertainment allowance under section 16 subsection 2. So there is no entertainment allowance, you can write nil. Then we will say professional tax under section 16 subsection 3. Now let's find out what is the amount of professional tax. So the professional tax deducted from the salary is 2,500 per annum. So let us go and record professional tax as 2,500 per annum. So now if you take the total of this, let's see. So the amount which you will get is 2,500. Now again you are going to subtract this from the gross salary. So let us subtract 2,500 from the gross salary. So once you subtract 2,500 from the gross salary, you will get net salary, or you can say taxable salary. So your taxable salary will be, let us calculate, minus 2,500. It's 9,67,500. So let us record 9,67,500. So this is our taxable income from salary. So this is what we are going to take in our main solution. So let us go to the main solution. We have already written working note 1, right? So let us go and write the amount as well. Income from salary is 9,67,500. The next one is the next income that we have here is income from other sources. So again we don't know the total, so we'll have to go for the working note 2. We will say working note 2, income from other sources. So this is how you're going to prepare a second working note 2, income from other sources, particular and 2 rupees column. Let us start solving this, but let's see what is the first item that we have under the head income from other sources. So the first item that you have is interest received on government securities, 22,000, and this amount is fully taxable under the head income from other sources. So let's go and record so the first item, we will say interest on government securities, this is fully taxable. So let us take this amount directly in the outer column, 22,000. Then second, let's see what is the next item. So the next one which we have is dividend from HDFC mutual fund, 5,000. Now this is fully exempt. So let us go and record dividend from HDFC mutual fund, right? Now this is fully exempt, so the amount of this is 5,000. We will say less exempt under section 10 subsection 35. $5,000. So 5,000 minus 5,000, outer column it will be nil. So we can go for the third item. Let's see what is the third item. Interest on saving bank with HDFC bank, 11,500. Now this is fully taxable under the head income from other sources. You can claim under section 80 later on. So right now it's fully taxable. So we will say interest on saving bank account with HDFC. At this moment it is fully taxable. Let us go for the next one. Interest on post office saving bank account 3,500. Now this is fully exempt under the head income from other sources. So let us record interest on post office saving bank account this is fully exempt, so this amount we are going to take in the inner column 3,500. So we will say less exempt under section 10 subsection 15 3,500. So 3,500 minus 3,500, outer column nil. Let's see what is the next item that we have. So after this we have he received cash gift of rupees 51,000 from his friend on the occasion of his daughter's marriage. So this is fully taxable because he has received on the occasion of daughter's marriage. It is fully taxable under the head income from other sources. So fifth item, we will say gift on occasion of daughter's marriage. So 51,000 fully taxable. Let's see what is the next item. So the next item that we have is LIC. So this will come under section 80C, both the items. So before this we'll have to take the total. We'll have to find out the gross total income. So there are no other income from other sources, so let us take the total of this. So we will say taxable income from other sources. Let's check the total. 22,000 plus 11,000 plus 51,000. So that gives you 84,000. Right? I did one mistake. 11,500 is the amount of interest on saving bank account. So let me rectify that. By mistakenly I took 11,000 instead of 11,500. Right? So now let me take the total. Once again. No need of taking, just let me add 500 and this. So I'll say plus 500. So it will be 84,500. So the total is 84,500. Let us record here 84,500. So this is your taxable income from other sources. So let us go and record in our main solution. So we will say income from other sources, $84,500 taxable income from other sources. Now we don't have any other income apart from salary and other sources, so we can take the total of this two. So if you take the total of this two, you will get gross total income. So let us find out. 8,500 plus 9,67,500 will give you 10,52,000. So 10,52,000 is our gross total income. From this we are going to subtract deduction under section 80 chapter 6A. So as you saw in the question, like there are two items. One is LIC of 25,000, second is tuition fee of 10,000. So let us record both. So here the first one we have is life insurance premium, that is 25,000. Then the next, by the way, before this you must give the heading. Investment or deposits under section 80. So this is your heading. And tuition fees is the next item. It is 10,000. So if you take the total of this, total of this is 35,000. Fine. Now there is one more item which is left out, is regarding this interest on saving bank with HDFC Bank, 11,500. You will get deduction under section TTA up to rupees 10,000. So let us record this as well. Interest on saving bank account under section under section 80 TTA, and you are eligible for 10,000. That means the maximum amount that you can claim for deduction is 10,000. So the total deduction that you have under section 80 is 45,000. 35,000 plus 10,000. Now let us subtract all from the gross total income. So once you subtract, you will get net taxable income. So let us calculate what is your net taxable income. 10,52,000 minus 45,000 will give you 10,07,000. So let us record here 10,07,000. So this is how we are supposed to solve. So you can see the net taxable income is 10,07,000. So if